points A, 2, 2 and B, 2, 8 are shown on the graph. We can see A here at 2, 2 and B is at 2, 8. We want to plot and label C, which is 6, 8, and D, which is 6, 2. So let's look at C, 6, 8. 6 across in the x direction, and then 8 up in the y direction. So this is C, 6, 8. Now D, which is 6, 2. 6 across and 2 up gives us D at 6, 2. We now want to join A to B, B to C, C to D, and D to A to form a shape. Join A to B, B to C, C to D, and D to A. What shape have we formed? We can see that this side is 6 units long, and this is 4 units wide. It's not the same length and width, so it must be a rectangle. What is the area of the shape if the grid has 1 centimeter squares? It's 6 centimeters by 4 centimeters, so 6 times 4 is 24 centimeters squared.